The 2025 Winnebago Ekko 22A is one of those rare coaches that feels purpose-built from every angle. Not quite a camper van, not a traditional Class C, and honestly more capable than both. Built on the all-wheel drive Ford Transit chassis with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V-six and 10-speed automatic transmission, this Ekko was designed for the kind of travel where the road doesn't always stay paved. As you step into the cab, you immediately notice how modern the driving experience feels. Ford's safety suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, pre-collision assist, and driver alert technology, making long travel days far less stressful. Moving into the main living area, the layout feels open, smart, and incredibly functional for a coach this size. The twin bed setup easily converts into a larger sleeping area using Winnebago's WinSleep system, delivering far better comfort than typical RV mattresses. The owner also added a second TV at the rear bed area so both ends of the coach can enjoy independent entertainment. The galley is compact but extremely well thought out, featuring a 2-burner LP cooktop, microwave, stainless sink with cover, pantry storage, removable workstation extension, and a large 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. Custom spice racks and additional storage upgrades throughout the coach make the kitchen feel even more usable for extended travel. One of the most impressive parts of the Ekko is the dry-wet bath with Winnebago's Wunderwall system. The pivoting wall design transforms the space into a full shower while keeping the toilet and sink dry and separate. Combined with the Truma AquaGo tankless water heater and Oxygenics showerhead, it creates a surprisingly premium bathroom experience in a compact footprint. Back outside, the Ekko really starts to separate itself from the crowd. The factory-optioned Batwing awning completely changes the outdoor living experience by providing coverage on 3 sides instead of just one. Whether you're cooking outside, unloading gear, or relaxing at camp, it creates an incredibly usable shaded area around the coach. The heated pass-through gear garage offers over 54 cubic feet of storage with L-track tie-downs, MOLLE panels, and both 12-volt and 110-volt charging ports. With all-wheel drive capability, true 4-season insulation, Truma Gold certification, upgraded entertainment features, thoughtful owner additions, and one-owner history, this 2025 Winnebago Ekko 22A is exactly the kind of coach buyers wait for. To view all the photos, see the MSRP and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.